companies. Ryder System Incorporated. See all. The company and law firm names shown above are generated automatically based on the text of the article. We are improving this feature as we continue to test and develop in beta. We welcome feedback, which you can provide using the feedback tab on the right of the page. New York, Sept 10, Reuters, a former associate of Rudy Giuliani who helped him collect damaging information in Ukraine about U.S. President Joe Biden before the 2020 election, pleaded guilty on Friday to one criminal count in a campaign finance case. Igor Fruman, 56, admitted to soliciting money from a foreign national at a hearing before U.S. District Judge Paul Oetken in Manhattan. His plea does not include an agreement to cooperate with prosecutors examining Giuliani's dealings in Ukraine, including whether the one-time New York City mayor violated lobbying laws while serving as former U.S. President Donald Trump's personal lawyer. Fruman could face up to 46 months in prison under recommended federal guidelines at his January 21, 2022 sentencing. The Belarus-born Fruman and his former business partner, Ukraine-born businessman Lev Parnas, were charged in October 2019 with concealing an illegal $325,000 donation to support Trump's 2020 re-election campaign. They and another defendant, Andrei Kukushkin, were also charged with illegally using donations to U.S. politicians from a Russian businessman to obtain legal recreational marijuana distribution licenses. Fruman's plea relates to that business. In his allocution, he said he had envisioned making donations to Democratic and Republican officials in U.S. states where he wanted to operate, and sent a list of those officials to the foreign national. At that time, I had little experience in the rules surrounding political donations, Fruman said. But I generally understood that foreign nationals and individuals who are not American citizens were not allowed to make political donations in the United States. I deeply regret my actions and apologize to the court and the United States government, he added. A federal prosecutor said $1 million was wired as part of the scheme. Lawyers for Parnas and Kukushkin did not immediately respond to requests for comment. Parnas and Kukushkin have pleaded not guilty and face an October 12 trial. Giuliani had enlisted Fruman and Parnas to help uncover dirt about then-presidential candidate Biden and his son, Hunter. Prosecutors said Fruman and Parnas also aided an effort to oust then U.S. Ambassador to Ukraine Marie Yovanovitch, who Trump fired in May 2019. Giuliani has not been charged and has denied wrongdoing. Federal agents seized cell phones and computers in searches of his home and office in April. Giuliani's New York law license was suspended in June after a court found he lied by arguing that the 2020 election was stolen from Trump. The case against Parnas had included a charge he conned people into investing more than $2 million in a fraud insurance company, Fraud Guarantee, but prosecutors last month removed that charge from an amended indictment. A fourth defendant, David Correa, pleaded guilty to a conspiracy charge related to Fraud Guarantee and was sentenced in February to 1 year and 1 day in prison.